Let us see how to prepare Maggi Goreng, which is a famous Malaysian street food. We will prepare it with 2 small packets of Maggi. Take Maggi in a bowl and pour boiling water and let it rest for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let us remove Maggi from water and keep it aside. It is normally prepared in a wok. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a wok and add 2 beaten eggs, scramble them nicely and remove from the wok. Now pour 2 tablespoons oil and add 1 large onion sliced and saute for 1 minute. Add in 1 small tomato chopped, now add 4 tablespoons sliced cabbage, 4 tablespoons sliced carrot, about 3 large spinach leaves. Mix and cook them for 1 minute. Make a small space in the middle and add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and roast it for 30 seconds. Then mix everything nicely. Add in 1 chopped green chili and 1 chopped red chili and give it a mix. Add and combine 1 teaspoon soya sauce also. Now we have to add the Maggi masala and give it a mix. Add in the noodles prepared before and mix them like this without breaking the noodles. Combine the scrambled egg which we have prepared before and give it a nice mix. Tasty and very spicy Maggi Goreng is ready to serve. Place 1 sun-side up egg also. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe.